We are back at our newsroom, and for today's first story is, guys, may bagyo. Tropical storm is expected to intensify into super typhoon on Monday, September 22, as it nears the Babuyan Islands according to the State Weather Bureau Friday. In its 11 a.m. bulletin, the Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Service Administration Pag-asa said Nando which was last plotted 1,005 kilometers east of central Luzon with maximum sustained winds of 75 kilometers per hour near the center and gusts of 90 kilometers per hour. Nando will continue to intensify while over the Philippine Sea. It may reach typhoon category tomorrow Saturday na po ngayon, and super typhoon by Monday before it close approach to Babuyan Islands. So, ayun na guys. According to Inquirer.net. So, yun naman yung ating source. So, magiging super typhoon po si Nando. Kaya po medyo maulan-ulan kung saan-saan man sa mundo. Ay, hindi. Sa Pilipinas lang pala. Pero yun guys, handaan nyo na lang po yung mga pagkain. Mag-stock up kayo ng pagkain. Tubig, yan ang importante. Tubig, pagkain, kandila, batteries, mag-flashlight na kayo. Mag-charge na kayo ng mga flashlights, ng mga power banks, ganyan. Diyan na handy ang power banks natin.